Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and thank you so much for tuning in. If you are new on my channel, you are welcome. If you are returning, thank you so much for coming back. So today's video is another gele tutorial, and here is my ashoke. This is the ashoke that I'll be using. I'm going to be using pin and rubber band. You can see I have black here, I have yellow here, so I'm going to go with the one that matches the ashoke. So I'll be going with this yellow. So the measurement for this gele is 50-50. Can you guys see? 50-50. So I'll go ahead now and create some pleats. You guys know how to create pleat already, so let me just do that off camera, then I'll be right back. So once you are done creating your pleat, just place it on your head. One more pleat. Okay, so I'm just going to arrange everything properly. So do the same for the other side. So once you are done arranging the pleat, you just bring the two hands back to the front. You don't need to tie it. So the next thing you are going to do is to create pleats on both sides. You can't do the two at the same time, so you have to do it one by one. Can you guys see? So you continue until you are done. So I'm just going to secure this part. I'm going to secure it. Then I'll go ahead and create pleat on this other hand. So now that we have both sides pleated, the next thing we are going to do is to hold this and this together using a rubber band. So I'm going to remove this black one. Can you guys see? Just hold it together and make sure it is firm. Can you guys see? Then you go ahead with your rubber band. You secure it. So this is what you have. So you just go ahead and style this part. You are going to fold this in a bit. Can you see? You fold it in. You fold this one in too. Make sure the two sides are equal. I still want to fold it in a bit. It's too high. Okay. Then you go ahead and secure your gele with pin. So once you are done with that, you come back to this one and just style it properly. Then you secure it down with a pin. You do the same thing on the other side. So you do the same thing on this other side. Now that we are done securing her gele, the next thing you need to do is to arrange your gele properly. Style it properly. Yeah. So guys, we are done with our gele. What do you guys think about this gele? This gele is shouting, no grief for anybody. No allow anybody see from the back, okay? So guys, this is it. What do you guys think about this gele? Let me know in the comment section, okay? So I hope you have enjoyed watching this video, and I hope you have learned a new style of styling your gele, okay? See, the rubber band is showing here. If you have something to cover it up, you can do that. I don't have anything to cover it up. That is why I tried my possible best to use a matching rubber band here. So if you have something to cover it up, you can go ahead and do that, okay? And if you don't, use a matching rubber band and you are good to go, okay? So we have come to the end of this gele tutorial. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.